Hello everyone. Let's see how to create an academic calendar using Google tool. Just log into Google, click here. There are 9 points, and after clicking, you will get many gadgets of Google. Click on Google Calendar. So you are here on this Google Calendar window. For example, you have planned a webinar on data science. You can click here anywhere and edit your event. For example, on 15th of May, you have planned a webinar. Uh, on physical chemistry, and you have added the guests here. You have added the location, and likewise all description you have added for chemical sciences. Zoom platform is the location, and you can add guests here. So likewise, you can save. You can add edit here. You can add time also. See, find a time. You can add at 12 p.m. It is scheduled. Okay. Again, you can edit it like you are going to repeat it annually on 15th of May every year. You can set it as an annual repetitive event. You can set it as monthly on 3rd of Friday. You can set it for longer so that you will not need to add the particular event every year or every month if it is a periodic event. Likewise, you can add in the calendar, and after that, I will tell you one more important thing. If you are going to create your academic calendar, you have to rename the calendar as uh, for which purpose it is created. For example, I have named it as a WCS library planner. Likewise, you can name it as academic calendar department of chemistry, department of commerce, department of computer science. Likewise, you can create the calendar and name it, rename it, add the description. After that, again, let's go to the calendar view, and there are many views, types of views of the calendar. You can select to day view, week view. You can switch to month view, switch to year view, and an important view is a schedule view. Click on schedule view. um, Here, whatever I have added earlier is there. Webinar on data science that was planned on 14th of May. 15th of May, webinar on physical chemistry is planned. So on 1st July, library orientation session is planned. Then book bank distribution is planned on 20th of July. Likewise, I have already added some of the events. Some of the events I have shown you, and you can get print of this in your personalized manner. I want to get the results here of the calendar from 1st of April, or academic calendar starts from 1st of May. I'm continuing it. I have choice to choose the date from which I want the calendar to get populated. I can add as much dates following. So This calendar is prepared for 1 year. Just click here and click on print. It will get generated as a PDF. Click here. So the print window is there. Destination, save as PDF, and you can save it as a PDF. Give location, it is on desktop, and you can name it. Yes, I have saved it as a library planner 2020-21. Let's see how it looks. See, the beautifully and well organized planner is here. Day, date, time of the event, name of the event, where it is situated. You can add as much details. If you have given description, then descriptions will also come. Likewise, it will get generated using the Google Calendar. So this is very helpful. You can create your own Google Calendar using this feature, the gadget of the Google. You can create a Google Calendar of a personal, a teacher's academic calendar, a department academic calendar of a department, or academic calendar of all college also, like this. Thank you very much uh, for watching this video. Thank you.